And here's a look right now at South Padre Island. We are still dealing with some fog in some locations. You're able to see the hotel there off in the distance there with dense fog in some locations at this hour. Currently 77 degrees. We are going to see some clearing ongoing for the next few hours. But as far as our weather headlines, those temperatures warming through the rest of our work week. We are expecting another cold front on the way for Wednesday. That could bring some rain chances with it, as well as some cooler temperatures. But we're going to be warming back up for the weekend. So once again, we're going to see this roller coaster effect in temperature trends, at least for the next 7 days. So highs in the 80s, a bit warmer for tomorrow, and then cooler heading into Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the 60s. We're going to see those overnight lows drop into the 50s. So you are going to need those jackets once again as you're heading out the door in those morning hours for Thursday into Friday there. And then for this next weekend, getting up to about 83, 82 degrees for those high temps there. But other than that, we are expecting the rest of our day to be rather warm and a bit more tolerable compared to what we've been dealing with for the past few days there. Highs in the low 80s, overnight lows dropping into the 70s. We are going to see that cloud cover just remain across the valley, at least for quite some time. We could see some specks of showers there heading closer towards the 6 p.m. hour. But other than that, we are going to be dealing with some quiet weather conditions, at least for the next 48 hours, all thanks to a high pressure system that is dominating across the south central U.S. This is actually moving in over Louisiana and Mississippi, and that's the reason why we saw those sunny conditions later yesterday. But other than that, for the next 7 days, expect those temps to continue being just rather warmer for tomorrow, as well as that cold front arriving on Wednesday. That's going to bring some showers there as we head into Wednesday morning, and as well as into Thursday there. But other than that, we are expecting those overnight lows to drop into the 50s for the middle of the week, and then we're going to be warming right back up into this next weekend. But we could see a few showers there as we head into Saturday and Sunday. So as we look at that temperature trend for the next few hours, we are going to expect to see those temperatures just a bit warmer. So feeling a bit more like summer heading into Tuesday morning there with highs in the 80s, lows in the 50s there. You see that influx of cooler air moving through as we go into Wednesday morning there. That's going to be the arrival of that cold front. So today's forecast, highs in the low 80s, 80 in the upper valley, 81 in the lower valley with east winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. For this evening, temperatures a bit more tolerable with dropping into the low 70s with mostly cloudy conditions there. But other than that, we are expecting that warming trend for the next 2 days. It's going to feel a bit like summer, and then that cold front arriving Wednesday. That's going to bring some coastal storms in the forecast for Wednesday night into Thursday, and then you're going to see those temperatures drop just a bit. So this cold front not as strong as what we've dealt with for the past 2 weeks, but we are going to see that roller coaster effect of hot, cold for the next few days there as we head into the next 7 days. So expect this next weekend to see those highs in the 80s, and then we have the McAllen Holiday Parade happening on Saturday. Expect partly cloudy skies, overnight lows in the 60s, and so we don't even need our jackets for this next weekend heading into the first week of December.